Hey there! I hope you all are doing great. Welcome to our channel Tech Basics, and in this video I will walk you through on how to log into Work Perks. First thing first, open up your preferred web browser. You can choose any web browser you'd like. I'm using Google Chrome right here. Let's tap into that, and at the very top you can see a search bar. Let's tap there and let's type in Work Perks login since we're going to log in, and hit enter. And make sure there will be lots of options right here, maybe with the same name, but make sure you have to tap into the official site, which is this one. It may take a while, and there you go. Now there's two options. You can either sign up for free, so since we're going to log in, let's tap in login, and you'll be greeted with this login page. All you gotta do is you have to tap your informations. At the very first field, let's type in our email. That is associated with your account, and of course your password. And that's it. And in case you have forgotten your both username and password, you don't need to worry at all. There's an option right at the very below. You can see forgot password or username. You can tap into that and it will help you through. Since we have already filled in our credentials, let's tap in that login button and you'll be logged into your Work Perks. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you want more helpful videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Basics, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and share. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.